Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's guide, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the Brawl Stars they've built in 2025. Whether it's possible to get it, what you've used it for, and what you absolutely need to avoid. So let's dive right in. First off, the Brawl Stars they've building is not your average version of the game. It's an internal version made strictly for developers and team members at Supercar. This build is where all the early testing happens. New brawls, events, balance chains, it all gets tested behind the scenes before going live. Now, the big question, can you get it? Well, unless you're working for Supercell and have a verified working account, the answer is no. The dev building is not available to the public, and it's not something you can just download from the App Store or Play Store. Even on the forums like Reddit, Vidar confirms you need an internet account just to access that building. Now, you might come across some shady website or APK download page claim to offer a dev build version. Don't fall for it. These are not official, and in most cases, they're fake or loaded with a malware. Supercell doesn't share the dev build with anyone outside their dev team. So, any dev build download you see online is either a scam or a modified clone. So, what's the takeaway? You can't just get a dev build unless you're actually on the Supercell team. Trying to find a workaround not only puts your device at risk, but could you also get your account banned if you try to use an official version of the game. If you are curious about upcoming content, the safest and the most reliable way is to follow the official Supercell news or watch content from the approved creators who get early previews. Alright, that's it for today. A breakdown on the Brawl Cesar Dev build. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more gaming experience guides and updates, and let me know in the comments what other Brawl Stars topics you want me to cover. Catch you in the next one.